In this video, I want to talk about how you can receive money on Binance. Now, what we want to do is we need to get our QR code real quick. So to get the QR code or our wallet address, what we need to do is we need to log into our account, and then we want to hover the wallet up here. You can also do this from the phone app. And then what we want to do is we want to go to Spot. Inside of Spot, there should be up here a deposit button, and you want to click on the deposit. And don't worry, we're not going to deposit any money, but just click on the deposit. And then what you want to do is just select any of these. So let's just click on deposit crypto. Now let this load for a little bit. And then what we want to do is make sure our account is verified. Select a coin, select a network. And once you've done this, a deposit address will come up. Now this address is your address. So you want to just copy the address that comes up, or the QR code you can send this to the person, and they'll be able to send the money to you. So that is the easiest way that you can receive inside of Binance. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.